Hey, I'm Ryan Harris. I'm the Director of Service Delivery here at Plow Networks. So Azure Virtual Desktop. Azure Virtual Desktop is Microsoft's cloud-hosted virtual desktop infrastructure solution. Similar to a Citrix XenDesktop solution or really any other virtual desktop solution, Azure Virtual Desktop integrates directly with the Microsoft 365 environment in the Azure environment as well. Azure Virtual Desktop gives users the ability to access Windows-based applications without the need for a dedicated Windows system. So let's talk about some of the benefits of Azure Virtual Desktop. For one, if you're already in Microsoft 365, say a Microsoft 365 shop, so you use Microsoft 365, maybe Azure Active Directory, Entra ID on the 365 side, Azure Virtual Desktop integrates seamlessly with all of those technologies. Another benefit of Azure Virtual Desktop is it offers a very scalable and cost-effective solution for businesses who are looking to get out of the hardware lifecycle game. So if you're a business who currently has a kind of self-hosted or on-prem hosted virtual desktop solution, oftentimes making a move to Azure Virtual Desktop might net significant savings, both short-term and long-term, especially for businesses who find themselves in a position where maybe they have an upcoming renewal with a current tool set. Maybe they're looking at a significant increase in the cost to support. We can often look at savings by moving to Azure Virtual Desktop, which also gives them much more flexibility when it comes to increase or decreasing the size of the environment, while also giving them a lot of resiliency and redundancy through moving to a cloud-based solution. It gets business out of the position of trying to balance having redundancy and resiliency, balancing that with cost. So another benefit of Azure Virtual Desktop is its ability to, like I said, if you're already a Microsoft shop, its ability to integrate with your security posture. So for businesses who are, again, already in the ecosystem, Azure Virtual Desktop allows you to integrate seamlessly with Entra ID, with an existing Azure tenant. Businesses who are looking to move to a zero trust architecture could see a significant benefit of leveraging something like Azure Virtual Desktop, which again integrates with all of your current Microsoft 365 security functionality, so MFA, conditional access, to allow you to, rather than having to manage kind of security posture across multiple different platforms, integrating all of that into your Azure Virtual Desktop infrastructure. So as we look at business use cases for Azure Virtual Desktop, obviously one of the most significant is businesses that are looking to get out of hosting their own virtual desktop infrastructure. As you probably know, the infrastructure required to run an on-prem solution can be costly. We've seen price increases for some of the major leaders in this space recently, which has a lot of people looking at alternative solutions. So, again, if you're looking at moving to a zero trust architecture, you're looking at moving to a cloud-first architecture, Azure Virtual Desktop may be a great solution for your business, especially knowing that it comes with potentially what could be a significant cost savings and the ability to scale rapidly should the business move in that direction. So one of the use cases that we're seeing right now is actually with the Windows 10 end of life. As companies are faced with looking at their current hardware to ensure that it's Windows 11 compatible, we're having a lot of conversations right now with businesses who are looking to avoid a costly CapEx spend in replacing hardware and looking at virtual desktop solutions. As we look at Azure Virtual Desktop being a possible solution for clients who are already in the Microsoft 365, Microsoft Azure space, we're often seeing where it makes a lot of sense for customers who are struggling with obviously replacing a lot of hardware, moving to an Azure Virtual Desktop solution. So if you're facing one of these challenges today, whether it be looking at cost savings with a current solution, if you're looking to get out of an on-prem solution and into a cloud-based solution, or if you're facing the Windows 10 issue where you are looking at a costly replacement, have a conversation with us. Reach out to us. We can often come up with some creative solutions. We've got a lot of experience in this space, so reach out to us.